Hello friends, right now in this video I'm going to show you how to record slow motion video on Infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to open the camera. Then from here, suppose here is this slow motion, no? Click on this slow motion and try to capture some videos, okay? Suppose I'm trying the first this one, okay? Then here I have finished to record some videos, then stop it, okay? And now let's play the video, okay? So here is the video that I have been recorded. You can see I was moving the first, but it used to move so slowly. This is the slow motion, okay? How it's captured the video. Wow, it's nice. You can record like this, okay? So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.